opener against the US.
I think resilience and psychology is very important. The more resilience a player and a team has, the better we can stick with the plan and do what we have to do. We always say stick with your task and be in the moment. Think in what action you have to take. So never focus on the result, always focus on what you have to do. It's very important that players eat well because it's a difference maker. Of course, you have to do your gym sessions really well, your training sessions really well, you have to sleep well. So it's about the lifestyle, and eating well is one of that. So players have to refuel, they have to recover, but they also have to be able to have enough energy to put into the game or into the training sessions. Our team ethos, the first one is really team first. So when we go into a tournament, when it goes into a game, everyone is working really hard, doing their task, and is supportive to each other. That's a hard question because sometimes you have leaders that are really visible, but there are also leaders that are on the background and do a great job. But I think what a leader does is shows respect for everyone and connects people. To have rest and some leisure time is just as important as working hard. So when we make our schedules for the team, there's always rest in there, and we always make sure there's a balance between working really hard and having some time off. Well, I always give the advice that have fun, enjoy yourself. When you started playing football, you loved the game, and that should always stay. And yes, sometimes it can be hard moments, but in the fundament must be that you really love the game and enjoy it.
Drop to an English shot. Oh, fine finish